Hey guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. We are in Corsicana, Texas. This is Funtown RV's Superstore. Right now we're gonna be doing a walkthrough on the 3703 RK. So Big Country brought to you by Heartland. They mean big country with this one. So guys, right up front, we're gonna have our power cord reel right here, tons of storage space right here, and a spot for a generator. So we already have a spot for a generator right here. And then right next to that, guys, this is gonna be our hydraulic fluid and our batteries right there. That's right, guys, I said hydraulic. That means this leveling system is hydraulic leveling system. So that's what you're gonna see whenever you see the legs like this. That's the straight indicator, all right? And of course, we're gonna have our 12-volt power awning with our light strip across, dual propane. So there's gonna be one on each side, guys. Gonna be a great indicator on which one you're rolling off with to. There's a selector on the off door side. Right here, this is our leveling system. So we hit power, and then let's say we're already done camping, we're ready to hook up to the truck. You would hit retract and then rear. So that would bring up our rear jacks and make it where we're able to raise the front, hook it right back up to our truck. But let's say we just got unhooked from the truck, we're ready. You're gonna raise the nose up, make sure it's not retract, you'll raise the nose up, make sure it's above where you would be to hooking up to your truck, then you'd hit auto level. But when you hit auto level, guys, you're gonna wanna make sure that the steps are up and you are not in the camper. The reason being is because you don't want shifting weight around the camper whenever it's trying to balance everything and level it out. Guys, also check out this pass-through storage. Tons of room in there. We have the light right here. We have a cable and power hookup right there. And then this is so easy to go down. Closes just like that. And then real quick, I want you to notice right here, this feature right here. So on our side marker lights, what that is the Furion side cameras. So that's gonna be that great feature to have. Whether you're going down the road or so forth, it eliminates that blind spot. So with our 7-inch Furion camera that you can get at our Camptown Outfitter store, you're able to quick between different camera views and eliminate those blind spots. Whenever you are doing your steps though, guys, you're always gonna wanna make sure that this door is all the way open. This step comes up just like this. Guys, it's not a magic trick, it is tension. So it's super easy to put up and down. You use these buttons right here to adjust your legs. So no matter what terrain you're on, you're able to make sure you have that safe passageway into that camper. All right, guys, right up top in both corners, on this slide, and the slides on the other side is gonna be the prep for a slide topper. You're like, Christopher, what's a slide topper? Slide toppers are something you can add on at our Camptown Outfitter store, right? You get with one of our experienced associates there. They're gonna walk you through on what you'll need to get the slide toppers on there. Slide toppers are an investment on your investment. So what it is it's an awning pretty much that's gonna cover your slide and protect it from the elements. So making sure that you're not getting any water or anything in your seals or anything like that, you wanna make sure that that's sealed off, covered, protected. All right, guys, on this Big Country, we are prepped for fun. Not only is Heartland made sure that this Big Country has a ladder on the back, but we are pre-wired for a Furion rear camera. So that rear camera is gonna be great for the experienced fifth wheel hauler, or if you're just now hauling a fifth wheel for the first time. Guys, you see how big this Big Country is. It is massive. So it's key things to eliminate those blind spots when you're going down the road, helping you back up into that perfect spot. That way you're still getting that view out these windows right here whenever you are camping, guys. Also, we have the receiver right here. That's gonna be awesome for whether you have the generator out the back, cooler, anything that you need to store back here, they made sure that you have the capacity to do so. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Big Country 3703 RK. With so many features on the outside, I can only imagine what we're gonna find inside. But before we head inside, make sure to like, follow, and share, comment with any questions you may have. But also, Funtown RV has put together a Facebook group of over currently 3,000 people. It's called Texas Buy, Sell, Trade Tips and Tricks. So whether you're an experienced camper or brand new to the game, guys, we have everything in between that's gonna help you in your camping journey. So let's go take a look inside and start some more fun. All right, guys, now that we're inside, take a look right here. As soon as we walk in, this is our control. This is mission control right here, right? We're gonna be able to control our slides, our awning, be able to control our AC, our lights, our fan up top, everything controlled all right here. Let's go take a look at some of those other key features. Right here is that Furion humongous TV right here, guys, right? This is a large TV. The reason why it's Furion, you may have noticed in some of our other videos, we point out what brands they are because these are not normal TV, guys. These are rated for the campers. So whether you're in, it's closed up, it's summertime, or when you're going down the road, they have to be able to, one, control the temperature, and also be able to withstand the shock of going up and down the road, the bumps and everything. That's why these aren't TVs that you would find at a normal store. If your camper doesn't already have a TV, you can get with one of our Camptown associates and they'll get you an RV rated TV. So it's all about protecting your investment and making sure that everything will run smoothly on those camping trips. Right below the TV, guys, we're actually gonna have the sound bar right here. You're able to control the stereo inside and out. And then right below that is gonna be our Furion fireplace. It's gonna be able to adjust the temperature, whether you need the heat or you just want the ambiance of the fireplace, you're able to do so. All right, guys, right beside the TV and fireplace, of course, we're gonna have the living room right here. So this, guys, will fold out into a couch, give us that extra sleeping room. But other than that, we actually have this seating right here. Some great features to have. We have lights, vibration, heat, and then we're able to recline with power. But it is right across from our TV and fireplace. And then right next to that, you're gonna see this is our dining area. So awesome feature to have. We have the windows right here. You're able to enjoy the view. So that's gonna be that key thing when you're booking those campsites, right? You're gonna wanna make sure you're positioning that camper to maximize that view. Let's check out the kitchen. We have our little nook right here. This is wireless charging right there. You just set your phone right on top, guys. Have the charging. We have all these drawers, our microwave, storage up top. All right, guys, I have this humongous fridge and freezer. So all that space right there. And then this guy right here opens up, and that is right, guys, this tray, guess what that tray is for? That's for that ice, keeping you nice and cool. We have all this extra counter space right here. So again, picking out the spot where your camper is gonna be crucial, guys, because we have this rear window. Right now, our view is gonna be the Tandera inside my indoor showroom. So it's gonna be awesome features again. Look at this humongous stove and oven right here, guys. 4-burner, big enough room for a turkey. So hey, Thanksgiving, don't worry, you can still go camping. We have you covered. Humongous sink, storage below. Let's go check out that bathroom and bedroom. All right, guys, in this bathroom, it's gonna be the double vanity, humongous mirror, storage on both sides, porcelain toilet, and then we have a seat inside the shower with the triple sliding door. So all the way across, guys. And then if you need in on this side, no worries. Able to do so. Plenty of space, plenty of room. And guys, there's a light inside the shower. Hey guys, we're in the bedroom now, but look at what's behind me. That is a washer and dryer. Yeah, it's all about the amenities that you have at home and bringing them on the go. This one is included in this price. Tons of space, tons of room. Right across from us is gonna be the TV with the wireless charging system. We have our bed right here, our walk-in closet, and the second AC controls are gonna be right there. All right, guys, under the bed, there's gonna be extra storage. These 2 chairs are for the dining room, so if you needed to seat 4 instead of just the 2, you're able to do so. We have the USBs and plugs on both sides of the bed, and these little shelves. Just those great features that they thought of when designing this camper. All right, guys, we just took a look at the 3703 RK. That's that rear kitchen by Big Country. So before we leave, make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have or any other campers you'd like to see us do a video on. And then remember, Funtown RV's Facebook group with over 3,000 people and growing every day. That's going to be a resource for you, whether you're an experienced camper, just now starting out, or anything in between. It's Texas buy, sell, trade, tips and tricks. And guys, remember, with Funtown, the fun starts here.